Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by acting fast. Time matters. Blot the dark stain gently with a clean cloth to lift surface pigment. Do not rub. Once you have blotted, mix 1 teaspoon of liquid detergent with 1/4 cup of lukewarm water and test on a hidden seam. This protects the fabric. If safe, apply the solution from the outside edge toward the center to prevent spreading. Make sure to work patiently and keep the cloth supported on a flat surface. Once the pre-treat is sat for 5 to 10 minutes, you should work the fibers gently with a soft brush or cloth to lift embedded pigment. Short, controlled strokes. Then rinse with cool running water, checking the stain. Repeat the apply and rinse cycle up to 3 times if needed. For persistent dark stains on color-fast fabrics, mix oxygen bleach with water following package directions and soak for the recommended time. Make sure to avoid chlorine on delicate or colored cloths to prevent damage. You finish by laundering the item per its care label, using the recommended temperature and a proper detergent. Once done, air dry the garment. Do not use a dryer until you confirm the stain is gone because heat can permanently set residual pigment. If you still see a faint mark, repeat the targeted treatment or try a specialized stain remover appropriate for the fabric. One key troubleshooting tip: if the fabric bleeds or weakens, stop and consult a professional cleaner to avoid irreversible harm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.